The Konarak temple is situated 65 kilometers away by road from Bhubaneswar, the capital city of Orissa, and 35 kilometers from Puri on the Marine Drive road. On the bank of the river Chandrabhaga and the coastline of the Bay of Bengal, the Konarak temple was a landmark for mariners traveling on the eastern coast of India, and the fame of the temple spread far and wide soon after it was built. Visiting Konarak is more convenient these days. Bhubaneswar is the nearest airport from Konarak. A number of superfast and express trains connect Bhubaneswar and Puri with major towns and cities of the country.